Your AI workflow breaks the second a task has to wait overnight. A customer pauses. A manager needs approval. A webhook arrives hours later, and suddenly the clever agent is just another chat window with amnesia. Google's new ADK guidance points to a very everyday future. Agents that can pause, resume, and keep context for workflows that take days or weeks. The important idea is not make the model smarter. It is a handoff ledger. Think of a shift captain in an operations room. When the first shift leaves, the captain does not say, "Remember everything." They write down the case state, who owns the next step, what event should wake the work back up, and what must not be repeated. That is what production agents need. In Google's framing, long-running agents move away from stateless chatbot behavior. Durable state machines track where the job is. Persistent session storage keeps the context. Event-driven webhooks wake the system when the outside world finally responds. Multi-agent delegation lets specialist agents take over without losing the thread. This matters because most real work is not one perfect prompt. HR onboarding waits for documents. Finance waits for approvals. Support waits for a customer reply. Legal review waits for a clause. If the agent only works while the chat is open, it cannot run the business process. It can only comment on it. The handoff ledger changes the job. Instead of asking, "What did we talk about?" the agent asks, "What state is this case in? What event just happened? And what is the next safe action?" That makes the agent less like a magic assistant and more like a reliable coworker on the next shift. That is also why this story is bigger than one developer tutorial. It is a product design clue. The winning agent interfaces will not only have a chat box, they will have status boards, receipts, checkpoints, and clean ways for humans to interrupt. A paused agent should look accountable, not mysterious. You should be able to see what it is waiting for, who can approve it, and why it believes the next move is allowed. For teams, the practical lesson is simple. Before you automate a workflow, map the pauses. Where does the process wait? What external event resumes it? What decision must be stored? What evidence proves the next step is safe? If you cannot answer those, you do not need a bigger model yet. You need a better ledger. The everyday future is not agents that never sleep. It is agents that can sleep without forgetting. Do not be the person chasing yesterday's chat. Be the operator whose work can clock back in.